Hello friends, as promised, let's go ahead and watch this look. So first of all, I begin with a primer. This is MAC Prep and Prime. Apply it liberally all over your face, don't forget your neck area, and just massage it gently. Only dab under your eyes. Now I'm using a CC cream by Lakme. Again, apply it liberally all over your face, don't forget the neck area. You can use a brush. I prefer using my fingers, so I'm just massaging it, applying it all over my face. Blend it well. You might be thinking that it is looking too white. First, this effect is little because of the light I'm using right now. Also, after some time, the whole makeup settles. The CC cream settles to give you a very naturally bright look. Little on your lips. And now this is MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Powder. This is a foundation brush, but I prefer using this brush for my loose powder. Again, don't forget the neck area. Miss Claire eyebrow kit for my eyebrows. And the same shade I'm going to use under my eyes, under my lower lashes, to give a very natural look. In this look, I'm not wearing any kind of kajal. Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. Just do it very carefully. Trying to balance both the eyes, though it is a little difficult. Done. So this is NYX highlighter. It's very light pink in color. I'm not using any blush on for this look because I want to keep it very, very natural with just a little shine. My favorite red lipstick. This is the outline pencil. I have not applied any kind of eyeshadow because I wanted to keep the look very natural yet attractive. L'Oreal red lipstick. I love this particular shade of red. How can I forget the mascara? Usually I wear the mascara in the beginning, but while I was shooting the video I just forgot, so I'm wearing it now. This is Dior mascara. Carefully on the lower lashes. And I'm ready. This look does not take more than 5 minutes to do.